Hey there, nature enthusiasts. Herb, welcome back to Navya's world, where we dive into the fascinating world of wildlife. Today, we're spending just 1 minute with the mesmerizing salamander. Let's go! First off, salamanders might look like lizards, but they're actually amphibians, just like frogs. Cool, right? Most salamanders love wet habitats. Their skin is super special. It absorbs oxygen and keeps them alive in damp environments. Spotted a brightly colored salamander? That's their way of saying, back off. Many species produce toxins to scare off predators. And here's the wildest fact: salamanders can regrow limbs, even parts of their heart or spine. Scientists are studying this for breakthroughs in medicine. That's it for today's 1-minute wonder. If you're as amazed by salamanders as I am, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite fact in the comments. See you next time.